My name is Jeremy Young, and I am the only thing between you and drinks, so let's get this going. One big thing, if you walk out of here with nothing else, I want you to know Huntress is free for internal use for MSPs through our Neighborhood Watch program. Scan this QR code and have your team deploy us internally, and if you do that for me, you have my full permission to multitask during the rest of this presentation. As was mentioned, I joined Huntress back in 2019 as employee number 19. That's me, there in the back. This was the whole company back then. We all fit in one room. And my main goal at that point was just making sure that everybody, or MSP I talked to, knew that we were a product company and not an incident response company. Now, while many things have changed over the last 10 years, the Huntress purpose, culture, and community-first approach has remained the same. Our founders are still here. They're still obsessed with the product. They're still obsessed with making our partners the heroes and obsessed with shutting down hackers. Most people, including myself, when I began chatting with them, assumed they were an incident response company. Now, we've grown into a platform with 4 products so far, all of which are good enough to be used in their own right as a standalone offering, all managed by our 24/7 team of security experts. But here are some myths that I've been hearing. I looked at Huntress in 2021, didn't understand what it did. I already have an AV, I don't really get it. Okay, we heard you. We took that feedback. We bought Level Effect, added a lot of EDR functionality. We built in both management for Microsoft Defender and Defender for Business and Defender for Endpoint. With the Huntress SOC, there to contain threats, remediate on your behalf, and provide guidance for cleanup and recovery, all included. For the price point and the built-in MSP functionality, there isn't a better managed EDR from a better SOC available, period. Another one. I looked at MDR for M365. In 2023, it had a lot of false positives. We agree. We had a false start on that one. We had to rethink the entire thing, rebuild it, and now, honestly, it's one of the best ITDR offerings in the space. We detect things like session hijacking, shadow workflows, rogue apps, credential theft, added things like automated identity isolation to stop attacks without your involvement, no matter the time of day. And hot off the press, we're excited to announce that one of the most requested features for Huntress Managed ITDR is now live, identity disablement and re-enablement for Active Directory synced identities. So that about 50% of your identities that using AD Sync in their M365 configurations can fully benefit from Huntress initiated identity containment in the cloud. This is a game changer. If it's something you've been waiting on, it's here. Lots of people say they do detection and response. What makes us different? The majority of security tools out there, the majority of security tools at most conferences, they didn't build for you. They stumbled upon you. They make you do all the work. You're supposed to bring the security expertise. You pay enterprise prices for the benefit of getting buried under a mountain of alerts. Huntress has always been built specifically for organizations like yours. We spend every minute of every day, literally 24/7, 365, monitoring environments and stopping threats on your behalf. Proof, Huntress screens out 95% of initial findings as noise and false positives, alerting teams to only the 5% that are validated threats. When selling security tools to companies without security teams, the security has to be baked in, not bolted on. Meaning we don't just sell the tech, we don't just sell the service, they are together, always. Others only do one or the other or add a service on because the tool is too hard to use. Because we use the tools that we build, everything has a purpose, and that purpose is detecting tradecraft and wrecking hackers. We bought, then rebuilt, and manage our own security awareness training. We built our own SIM from the ground up and manage it solely. This allows us to stay specialized and focused at scale. Proof, Huntress has a 0.7% false positive rate as reported by our EDR customers, keeping your teams focused on projects and services that make you money. MSP profitability comes down to operational efficiency. Your EBITDA goes down every time a security tool generates a false alarm. Our goal is under 1% false positives across the entire platform. We're obsessed with keeping you safe and helping you grow your business. There are so many companies in the channel that say they want your business, but there are rarely those that are willing to understand your business and align their business models and resources to support it. So why choose Huntress? Because Huntress loves MSPs. We think the global economy would collapse tomorrow if you all didn't do what you do. Through trial and error, I can personally, honestly say there is not another security company on the planet that cares more about protecting you and your clients than Huntress. And unlike everybody else, you don't have to take my word for it because you can use the whole product for free internally. So please, the one thing, sign up for the NFR, use the whole platform for free, become more secure for the rest of your year and ongoing. Please come see us at the booth. Thank you very much for your time, and I hope you have a great exchange.